In this video, you will see the OnePlus 12R going through the process of total and thorough water abuse as we normally do to devices to find out the actual liquid resistance of this aluminium and glass design. Also, you will get a good idea if the IP65 rated liquid resistance of the OnePlus 12R actually works in the long term or not, since it has been an year since the water abuse. So you can make an informed decision whether to buy the OnePlus 12R right now or not. In the oleophobic bath test, the oleophobic layer has become evidently clear on both sides by the way the water droplets roll off the surface as perfect spears. Also, there are no signs of any low audio or distortion from both speakers, hence we are at the light splashing round. We cannot underestimate light splashing as we may naturally do, since it has actually spelled doom for few devices. The red rubber sealant seems to be doing its job as of now. Anyways, water can somehow enter the orifices and do damage, especially in devices with low liquid resistance capabilities. Still, no minor liquid damage signs as yet, as we get into the heavy drenching round. Minor signs may include temporary stuff like screen flicker, black screen issue, headphone icon issue, and camera fogging or such. Major damage can include permanent display and sound damage. Low sound distortion can also be an early sign of liquid damage, but the OnePlus 12R, even though full of water in the charging port and speaker grill, still is going strong, proving the importance of the IP ratings on devices. Has the OnePlus 12R suffered any minor or major liquid damages? Let's have a look. The IP65 certified rating of the OnePlus 12R helps it to survive all the water abuses that we threw at it, passing our water tests. And it has been just a little more than an year since the abuse, proving its long-term effectiveness. You can definitely go for it right now.